Hi, everyone. Welcome
Everyone.
back to another round of phonics. This is day 4 for you. So we're looking at the soft C in combination with that E, the I, and the Y. So every time you see the C with an E, it's going to say S. The C with an I, it's going to say S. And the C with a Y, it's going to say S. So at this point, we're not going to do sound by sound blending. We're going to do, what was that blending? Syllable blending. So we're going to go ahead and do syllable blending, which means you're going to take that syllable, practice your blending skills, and then blend that section together and do the same for the other syllables here. So we're going to get started right now. Teachers, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
And I forgot to get a marker, but that's okay. I'll figure it out right now. Now. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Graceful.
Graceful. Whole word.
Graceful.
Syllable.
Embrace.
Embrace.
Next one.
Mistrace. Mistrace.
Slow it down, Miss T. Ready? Here we go.
Bracelet.
Bracelet.
Read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Graceful. Embrace. Mistrace.
And
Bracelet.
what is something that you noticed in this line? Boys and girls, if this is too fast for you, go ahead and take a moment to pause and check yourself. Go ahead and turn to either your mom or your dad or some adult that may be present and share what is something that you noticed there. Can I get Ms. T to go ahead and tell us what is something you noticed there?
I see the race pattern spelled R-A-C-E.
Yes, very good. So we have race, and I thought you were going to go ahead and get confused with that and either just see the ace part or even grab that G at the beginning and say grace. So awesome sauce that you, oops, that one's a little bit off, but that's okay. There we go. So we do have race inside each of our words. Anything else that you may have noticed there? Ms. Hernandez, what did you notice?
I noticed that these are 2-syllable words.
Yeah, these are 2-syllable words. Beautiful job. And within that race, what vowel are we looking at? Yes, Miss T.
The A blank E silent E vowel pattern.
Yes, we have the long A spelled A blank E. Boys and girls, just remember, we do not let go of our rules. We keep using and reapplying them everywhere we see them. All right, let's jump into line 2. Be mindful of your syllables. Ready? First syllable, 3, 2, 1.
Priceless.
Priceless.
Thrice. Advice.
Advice.
Trice.
Okay, reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Priceless. Thrice.
Advice.
And
Thrice.
what is something that you notice in this line? Take a moment to be those word detectives. Any patterns, any repeated structure? Ms. Yakimowicz, can you start us off on this? What did you notice?
I notice ICE, I-C-E, in all of the words.
ICE is here, ICE, ICE, and ICE. ICE is present in all of them. You're right. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
They all have the long I sound, so it's an I blank E pattern.
Correct. Very good noticing. There is a long I blank E spelling in all of these. Let's jump into that last line here, and you'll notice that this one has the shortest amount of words. Let's go ahead and try it. 3, 2, 1.
Cynic.
And I'm going to pause for a moment, class, because I want you to know that this is a CVC pattern, and you notice that the teachers set the short I for this one. Okay, keep that in mind as we're reading. Ready? Next one. 3, 2, 1.
Symbol.
Very good. The schwa A there. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Vacancy.
Vacancy. So let's reread those for fluidity. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Cynic.
Symbol.
Vacancy. So we have these 3 words, and now what is it that you notice there? Again, being those word detectives, trying to figure out a pattern or something that you noticed? Miss T, what did you notice?
I see the C sound spelled CY.
Yes, so we have the S sound spelled CY, okay, on all of these. And I was hoping that you would have caught something different, but I didn't think I included it on this one. It's right here. Look at the C. So we have this the soft C, but we also have a hard C. What vowel is after our hard C?
A.
A.
So remember, and the A is not an E, an I, or a Y. So it's forcing that C to say the hard C. All right, let's jump down to the sentence. Remember, boys and girls, this is where you hit that pause button. Think, fingers to your chest. How many words can you find that have the C-E, C-I, C-Y that changes our C into a soft C? Teachers, go ahead and use your fingers to tell me how many you found. Ooh, they're really counting. Wow.
Wow.
Yes, Ms. Rosales pushed hard on this one. All right, let's go ahead and help the students identify them. Ms. Hernandez, start us off. What word?
Price.
Price.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Next word, please, Ms. T.
Fancy.
Fancy. Ms. Yakimowicz.
Bracelet.
Bracelet. Ms. Hernandez again.
Twice.
Twice. Ms. T.
Price.
Price. Ms. Yakimowicz.
Nice.
Ms. Yakimowicz again.
Symbol.
Yes. Wow. That was a loaded sentence there. All right, teachers, you're the model for our class. So make sure that when you read it nice and loud and clear for them. We're looking just at the circle words right now. Ready, teachers? 3, 2, 1. What's this?
Price.
Price.
Fancy.
Fancy.
Bracelet. Twice.
Twice.
Price.
Price.
Nice.
Nice.
Symbol.
Symbol.
Yes. So you heard it from the teachers. Price, fancy, bracelet, twice, price, nice, and symbol. So boys and girls, the rest of the words you see here are high frequency words for the most part, or blendable words. So you should have no problems reading it. And I'm gonna pull back a little bit so you can see all of the sentence. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest. Ready, 3, 2, 1.
The
Price tag
on the
fancy
bracelet was twice
the
price of the
nice symbol.
Ms. Yakimowicz, can you reread that for fluidity, please?
The price tag on the fancy bracelet was twice the price of the nice symbol.
And Ms. T, can you scoop that for us?
The price tag on the fancy bracelet was twice the price of the nice symbol.
Very nice. And Ms. Hernandez, is it decoding time?
No, it's encoding time.
Encoding time. Boys and girls, grab those markers, pens, pencils, paper, whiteboards, whatever you may need. Look at the setup this time. We have 1 and 2 symbols or syllables, 3 and 2 4-syllable words. Ready? Teachers, go ahead and let me know that you're ready by putting a thumb to your chest. I have 3. All right, beautiful job. And boys and girls, remember, if you need to scaffold, go ahead and hit that pause button, copy it down, and then follow along with us. If it's too fast for you, remember, the whole purpose is for you to focus on the decoding, not so much the encoding, okay? All right, boys and girls, here we go. Teachers, here we start. 3, 2, 1. The word is quince. What's the word? Quince. Qua, I, n, s. Qua, I, n, s. Quince. Show me. Excellent. Moving on. All right. Next word is prince. What's the word? Prince. P, r, I, n, s. P, r, I, n, s. Prince. Show me. Prince. Beautiful job. Keep it up. Ready? If that's prince, this must be princess. What is it? Princess. P, r, I, n. Prin, and then s, e, s. P, r, I, n, s, e, s. Princess. Show me. Excellent. Keep it up. Here we go. Next word. Last word on this set is pencil. pencil. This is what the teachers always ask our students to get in the morning. Their pencil. Pen, and then pencil. Show me. Beautiful job. All right, jumping to the next column, 3-syllable count. This is a vegetable not favored by many kids, but we eat them anyway. Celery. What is it?
Celery.
Cell. Ooh, did I do it wrong? I did. That's okay. Celery. Show me. Just add an extra line. Beautiful job. Let's keep going. This is what you ride in the summer. Bicycle. What is it? Bicycle. Buy. Silent E. Silent E. Show me. Bicycle. Excellent. And just so you know that L-E is together, they are the spelling for the O sound found at the end of a word. All right. Next word is excellent. What is it? Excellent. Here we go. Cell. Let me go ahead and add that extra line. Excellent. That's an extra. Sorry about that. Excellent. Show me. Double L, people. Double L. Beautiful. Keep it up. Next word. Frequency. What is it?
Frequency.
Free. Watch that Q-U. Quen. And then C. C. Frequency. Show me, teachers. Excellent. Keep it up. Here we go. 4-syllable count. First one. Circumference. What is it? Circumference. Come. Ready? Circumference. Show me, teachers. Yes, mighty long word. Oh, Miss Hernandez, I'm going to ask you to check that. Not Awesome. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We learn from our mistakes. Here we go. Let's see, teachers. Penicillin. What is it? Penicillin. Here we go. Pen. Sil. Lin. Lin. Double L there. Show me. Penicillin. Excellent. Beautiful job. Sentence time, boys and girls. If you need to, go ahead and write the scaffold down. Hit the pause button. Write it down. If you don't need the scaffold, you can go ahead and write as I say or dictate. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest. Let them know you're, wow, dang. All right, we're good to go. Pretty long sentence, but it's very doable, class. Here we go. The word is Darcy. What's the word? Darcy. Don't forget, it's the start of a sentence, capital letter. D-R-C. Darcy had no. The word is space. What's the word? Space. Space. 2. The word is trace. What's the word? Trace. Trace. And remember that sound is the C. The. And then the next word is graceful. Grace. Full. Graceful. Graceful. Princess. Prin. And then cess has been given to you. Princess with his, and then the word is pencil. Pen, sil, pencil. Again, I'll reread. Darcy had no space to trace the graceful princess with his pencil. Go ahead and show me, teachers. Wow. Yes, you remember to capitalize and punctuate. Boys and girls, this is not easy. Thank you so much for trying and coming around again tomorrow for the last round of the soft C. All right, boys and girls, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.